There was one show that I seen because after I guess you came back from UK, you were doing a lot with Stone Love, but then you started to run a lot of stage shows. There was a show called Ninjaman Rides Again. All right. And you were clashing a guy named Invincible Ninja. And the Ninja Man came up and he didn't like what you were DJing. What happened that night there?
Ninja Man give me $1,000. I said to come DJ. I'm stage show. Them time them just come from prison. When them say them kill a taxi man, just come from prison. Right? I said to Ninja Man, you know, say you may come kill at stage show here tonight. Ninja Man line up one little boy named Invisible Ninja for come clash me. See? All right. Anytime I go down the Ninja Man give me $8,000. So I go down on the show, so I start DJ now. Take on Ninja Man. Never know say him have Invisible Ninja line up for kill me. Anyway, start DJ now. And thing, Invisible Ninja walk on. Will boy school is dead tonight. The ninja send for killer right now. And then me and him start. You see it on YouTube. All right. When me did a DJ now, the youth say, when me clash Invisible Ninja, me kill him. Him say, me tell him for go for Ninja Man.
Yes.
Him say Ninja Man. Me say go for Ninja Man bring come. Him say Ninja Man no clash with man. I say, you must know, because you Ninja Man and Kill Alpha Ballot in command, the place boss. Anyway, I'm start Ninja Man lyrics name. People, Ninja Man, they are prison, they come from prison with the mere plat up. Oh, Ninja Man, they are prison, they come from prison with the mere plat. Now, be a man, they are prison, man. But me, I DJ Man lyrics now, when I say, people, where they may have drive past GP prison, I may say, one water man do one letter, Kiddy Ralph give Ninja Man. Kiddy Ralph give the water letter for give Ninja Man. Grab the letter, I'm going to read the letter. The letter said, how they do Ninja Man? How you keeping? It's one thing I love. Is your smile in the front teeth, gold teeth just have me weakening. Whatever you get fat and turn brown and since you stop smoke, you all get good looking. Please agree with you. If you come here after and your bumper get fat, it's chicken pill you're taking. Eh? You see the food you see the morning, the yam and banana and the pumpkin, the Irish potato and the plantain, the Jew plum juice and the 6 jinxing and me. So you come get yourself finger licking. Eh? May I come link you tomorrow evening, anytime after 8 at the wickedest thing. When time me come the bother with the frowns, I want to see the mesh marina and your G-string, your spike heel, boom, and bag and stacking. I want you sit down pan Kid Alfred. I want you sit down pan kill like a lizard pan a limb. I sit down, Will! Hold on! When me a DJ that? When me DJ that, I'm there now, I go and clash now and thing. Me feel something go so. And pass me left eye. Pass me, yeah, my left eye. I never frightened saying all my life. But anyway, I see the crowd did a party too, you know. And the crowd, I see when the crowd, I see somebody, a bungler, people are come. But me check say a Beanie Man, Sizzler, or Captain I come for DJ.
Got you.
You never know a Ninja Man I come for fight me. Seeing, after me tell say me come for clash. So when him goes down to car for me, you know, and thing. Me so frightened, me say, Ninja Man, what that? Me in a bridging. Because guess what, me know? Some more man down there threatening me with knife and backlash, stone. Ninja Man go down there with 3 busload of gun, man. Remember me tell you, nobody heard it is. 3 busload of gun for one have 1 foot, 1 hand, 1 head, 1 eye, 1 ears, 1 this, 1 that. Broken, lean, stays up, bare waist, dirty gun, man. I said, Jesus, get one man that check me. All right. When we come off of the stage, the police carrier follow me 1 mile out from the land. Escort me out 1 mile out of the land. What the boy them want to kill me. And it never done this so. The Monday morning, it keep the show, keep the Saturday and the Monday morning. We get a phone call to Ninja Man and friend them come to kill me. And when me hear, me say, watch how me gonna make police kill it. Therefore, me say, no man, Ninja Man a idiot. Ninja Man don't know the road like me. How my ramp with? I mean him Squiddly Ranking. I say, God thank him. I look at me, but just get 3 man from jungle. And I'm at the studio and wait for him. And when him come in, I see one boy walk in with a desert eagle name and when the boy walk in, I see some stand up. Them time my friend them upstairs pint some piece from them. Then they walk in with the gun in them hand. The boy they walk in, Adam's kill him when they run a Beans Road. Kill him. Him dead now. Anyway, when they walk in, them say, yo, where you this man boss? So I come bat him man up, man boss. And Rary, the Ninjaman walk in. Then I see another one walk in, the one eye. And Rary. And thing, and I say, Ninjaman, look how you DJ about Shabba. Okay? Look how much thing you DJ about Shabba. About Eddie Murphy, and Shabba this, and Shabba that, and Shabba gay, and thing. Nobody not believe that. Him say, yeah. People believe anything artist DJ about, anything artist sing about artists, them believe. You say, oh, eh? And Rary. Anyway, I say to him, say, Ninjaman, listen to me. You say, you give me 20 grand. You give me 8. Want the rest of money. Me not give them more money. You can't take man for idiot. You can't batty up man and you come to what you want money now and Ray and thing. I say, Ninjaman. So the rest of money you have to give me next 12 grand and then man them want to get it. So when him look up, if something pan him stay, so him pan what pussy? Him pan pussy link big. I say, yeah man. Me say, yeah, come man. From me there, I wait for you. See? So I'm saying, I'm going to give me the money before walk behind him and keep him close until him go back to the car. And then him give me the money. When I reach the car, I'm giving the money and I give the man him the money and think. I'm telling them man, they want to get the money and Rary and think. So it never did done this. So see? And think. But me and him end up on brethren, everything. When I want or nothing, I tell me beg Ninjaman, said Ninjaman, loud or something there. See there? Gone back to prison again. Let me show you a class with Ninjaman give me. 1 month before him go to prison, you only believe it. Right now, in the draw there. 1 month before him go to prison. Him drive come up a Calabar school, come give me it at the gate. And me and him reason, I say, Ninja. But Ninja man, you take the thing light here, man.
It's so crazy what you go through as artists. Again, a lot of people just see you come sing some songs, but they don't really realize the lifestyle and what you have to go through to make these songs that people are hearing. It's so crazy.
Yeah.
Was that the only clash you had got in the 90s, or you had got into some other artist clash in the 90s?
No, it's a clash at 2000, you know. 2000 and 2002. That when Ninjaman they run me down that day there, and stab a family with the knife. Joke off me. Him turn the knife back way. Him turn it, I want a ratchet knife, and him turn the blade the next way. And him go, so if that shape. Because the link, Ninjaman knows if him they stab me, cut me, juke me, wherever. It wanna done this so.
Yeah.
Cause my thing big. My friend them when me have. Remember jungle me live in a concrete jungle me live in a barn and go in a jungle. Him could have do me that and get away. Now we under life.
Crazy.
Now we are under life. Me live a jungle and me can go in a Tivoli anytime. You understand?
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusichut.com.